Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to start a video call on Telegram. In this updated guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to make a video call using your Android device. To begin, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Once the app is opened, navigate to the chat with the contact you want to video call. Next, locate the phone icon within the chat window. Tap on the phone icon to initiate a voice call with the contact. If you wish to make a video call instead, simply tap on the video icon located at the bottom of the chat window. This will immediately start a video call with the selected contact. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily start a video call on Telegram and connect with your contacts in real time. Whether you're catching up with friends or holding a virtual meeting, Telegram makes it easy to stay connected through video calls. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of starting a video call on Telegram. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy video calling.